can. Oh my God, that's so funny.
Let's get Karen out here.
Oh, I will.
Come on, go. I'm recording.
I can't get up there from that raft.
We could play King of the Hill.
Not with you. You weigh too much.
Jump.
That was scary. That was scary. No way Mike would ever do that.
It's water.
It's water.
It's just so what?
It's not high.
He could knock himself out.
Little one for kids.
Come on, Sean. I'm recording. Do that jumping.
That's fun.
I think